Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email on Twitch. So let's get started right away. If you haven't already verified your email account on Twitch, then open up your web browser first and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website, from which, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will find the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then log into your account. Now, once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can directly start watching various different streams. Now, if you have not already verified your account, you might notice the verify button popping at the home page, but if you don't find it, then click on your account icon at the top right corner. From there, simply click on settings, and then from the settings page, click on security and privacy. Now, within this page, you will find the unverified and the verify button alongside your email address if it has not been already verified. Just click on the verify button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Just check your inbox and you can manually enter this code within the dialog box from Twitch. And you can also click on the link within the email to directly verify your account. After either clicking on the link or entering the verification code within the Twitch page, your email address will officially be verified on your Twitch account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your email account on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.